Welcome to part 34 of Daily English. Today's situation. Shopping, paying the bill. I'd like to pay. Example. I'd like to pay for these items. How much is the total? Example. How much is the total for everything? Can I pay by card? Example. Can I pay by card instead of cash? I'll pay in cash. Example. I'll pay in cash today. Here's my card. Example. Here's my card. Thank you. Please keep the receipt. Example. Please keep the receipt. I don't need it. Could I have a receipt, please? Example. Could I have a receipt for my purchase, please? Thank you. Have a nice day. Example. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. See you again. Example. See you again next time. Mini conversation. Cashier, hello. Are you ready to pay? Anna, yes. How much is the total? Cashier, it's $32. Anna, great. Here's my card. Could I have a receipt, please? Cashier, certainly. Thank you. Have a nice day. Daily tip. At the checkout, you'll often hear words like total, receipt, cash, and card. Learning these expressions will help you pay confidently in English. Speaking countries. Speaking challenge. Imagine you've finished shopping. Ask for the total, choose your payment method, ask for a receipt, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 35. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.